Hi, good day, M6134. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Emeline M. Vergara. I'm 46 years old from San Rafael, Bulacan. I have two kids, one girl and one boy, at the age of 26 and 24. I'm married. I'm high school graduate and also my have work experience in Saudi Arabia. The latest one is 2023 to 2025. Um, I have three kids and one couples. The age of kids, 7, 6, and 4. My my responsibilities is also caring of the children, cooking, washing, and cleaning the house.
Okay, and you have also experience in Bahrain, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
Also have experience in Bahrain in 2020 to 2018 to 2020. Sorry.
Okay,
Caring of newborn,
okay.
and then
You're
wash.
also the one who do the household chores, right?
Yes,
And you have also another experience. Your
in
first experience was in Saudi also.
yes, sir.
Sorry, last experience.
The first timer experience in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, which is 2016, 2017.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your experience there.
The caring also the kids, 3 years old and 1 year old.
Okay, so you are also the one who do the household chores.
Yes,
So you have a lot of experience, first on Saudi, second Bahrain, and other Saudi again,
yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have also experience taking care of a newborn baby and also a 1 year old baby. So you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
The baby is crying.
Yes.
I check the temperature, and then I wash my hand, and then I make milk for baby.
Okay.
If also did not stop the crying the baby, I call my madam
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the Hong Kong is also high salaries.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years, or if you want me my employer, or depends my employer.
Okay, it depends on your employer if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Um, no, sir, but I want to learn, and then I want to watching YouTube and reading the book.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about color it into black?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
If your employer is to have a prior commitment on Sunday or on a holiday, it is okay to you to work with them.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
For my madam and sir, if you choose me as a helper, I do my best. I follow the rules, and I want the best to do duties and responsibilities as a helper.
Okay, can you also promise that you will take good care of their children as your own?
Yes, I promise. I take a good baby
Your
as
own.
of my own.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Emmeline.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir. Thank you.
Okay.